CCTV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Joka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordal Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Menteri Ketnat Sports and Youth Affairs Uba Bynta Dor Lingdo Hakas Ngithok Dieng Karpinyo Tri Ujemang Arajar Arpuar Udalai Penai Kublai Kerpang Yaki Kunhun Jong ki Nongïalehkai ki ban mikmat nak kena jela haka Khele India Youth Games kaban salong ha Panchkula Haryana nadu kalai terik hadu khat sau terik jeleo arajar arpuar ya kini program IMCM ya kini Nongïalehkai la pelong dak office jong ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Meghalaya ha Nongïalehkai jong ka sai ka badan Hanihu Campus Shillong kini kunhun balai pu arngot Nongïalehkai nak jela Meghalaya bat ki shpongot ki official kin sai Bynta ha ki limpung ye khon jong ka football athletics judo swimming but boxing ya kini kunhun on selam dak kong Darlene M Khonglam ka wala shajiet kum ka chef de mission
incentive of our youth of our participant in every discipline. So I request through my media friend to send this message all along the state, all the school and colleges, to start implement of our sports policy. If they need any information, they need anything, we can provide them through Sports Department, Directorate of Sports, which I know this is very important. We don't want to see our youth. They will go outside and bring back and come back with medal and we'll give them 2,500, 5,000. That is nothing. We need to motivate them. We need to help them. And most of the sports person we know, they are coming from the poor family background. It's not easy. Yesterday, day before yesterday, the Mothai youth, they came and I have sent them to Dubai for participation of the big event. And yesterday, Meghalaya Arm Wrestling, they came and I've sent them to Hyderabad. And we all prayed to them also to win. And at the same time also, at this juncture, I would like to wish you all the best. Play well. Don't be afraid. Losing and winning is a part of the game. But when you do well, once you are fighting, that nobody can tell you anything. The thing which you have to get, you will get. Nobody can stop that. That's why, through my friend media, I would like to request that to send this message to school and colleges. We will start to implement immediately. And for you all also, once you come back, you win with medal, we already incorporate in the sports policy.